Hey everybody, I'm Lorna. This is Orion and that's Ruby over there. And today I have my final two bump boxes, box 9 and 10. I thought that box 9 was going to be my last one. I thought I was on the 9-month plan, but it turns out I was on the 6-month plan, and so I stopped my subscription early. I did not mean to go that many months getting a box, even though I've really enjoyed it quite a bit, and I can pick it back up if I feel like it. But anyway, we have box 9 and 10. He is 6 months old in 4 days, which is crazy. He does not sleep through the night. He is absolutely crawling. He likes to try apple slices and orange slices and blackberries, and he has rediscovered his love of bath time. Anyway, I want to go ahead and jump right in and see what we've got for these last two boxes. Are you ready, Orion? Okay. Here we go. Ooh. This box is got the tummy time card. Make tummy time a bonding time by lying or sitting on the floor by them. Oh God, I thought he just puked in the box. I know, I'm gonna get it out for you. This is absolutely your box. Okay. A thing for Green Chef meal kit. Okay, first thing out of the box is Mary Meyer Baby. Looks like a little owl. You want this? We're doing a lot of exploring of textures. He's very interested in the dogs and the cats right now. He likes to grab their fur and tug on it. Oh, hi. That's not yours. It's not yours. There we go. Mini zip storage sack. It's just a little storage. Hey. Storage container. Baggie. Storage baggie. I know this is very hard for you. Whoop. Let's see. Chew Crew. It's a teether. It looks like a little Starbucks cup. He's kind of weird about his teething toys. He's kind of hit or miss with them. Yeah, you want to, well, I don't have any scissors right now, buddy. I'll get it out for you in a second, though. Brain Builders. Teething rattle. Again, we will see. He's so particular about his teething toys. Ooh. Tummy Time Animal Parade. Oh, he is very interested in books and things right now. This is great, and there's a mirror in it too. He loves a mirror. Look at that. All kinds of fun stuff. Okay, you can keep holding that, that's fine. And let's see. Here, you want this again? Feed. We've tried a few foods. We've definitely pureed some apples, and he really liked the apples. He was not real crazy about the peaches that we made him. He really likes holding apple slices and just sort of gnawing on them. I think it makes his gums feel better. Another thing, oh, this is a different meal kit. Every meal, every plate. Goodness. One of these great silicone bibs that has the food catcher at the bottom. Ghost spoon, pure silicone baby spoon. Looks like 2 of them. Whoa, oh my. Whoa. Fresh baby food, glass cubes. Store, carry, heat, and serve. Pretty nice. They're glass. It's nice, really nice. Although we are going to try to skip baby food and go straight to solids, but that doesn't mean these won't come in handy. Baby, let's eat. Another little book with lots of different food items and stuff. Yeah. And then, oh, and another little plush toy. It's a little whale. It's also factually relevant. So guys, these are my last 2 bump boxes, box 9 and 10. I've been very happy with bump boxes. They really made my pregnancy feel special, and it was exciting each month to get new things, and especially before he was here, it was fun to get things because it just made it all kind of more exciting. And the boxes since he's been born have been really good too, because I wouldn't have nearly the toys, and bless you, I wouldn't have nearly the toys or the materials for him if I hadn't been doing these boxes. And it's just been a real treat, and I encourage anybody out there to try them. You don't have to be pregnant to try bump boxes. Obviously they will send you these boxes catered for your baby as well. So I really can't complain, and I'm excited to sort of close this chapter on the bump box life, but also kind of sad to see it go. But we've had a really good time, and we've had such a great time sharing all of our things with you and our items and exploring everything. And as you can see, he is hi, kick that leg. He is ready to play and get into all of this stuff. Guys, thank you so much for keeping up with us for these 10 months of bump boxes. We've had a really great time sharing everything with you guys and exploring and figuring things out. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. It won't be with a bump box though. It'll be something else. I don't know what. But we really appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe. There's a referral code in the video description if you feel like you want to give bump boxes a try. Otherwise, we will see you guys next time. Say bye, Orion. Bye. Whoa. Good job. Wow. Is it a fun texture? when the box is better than the stuff it came with.